serious woodworkers don't play. So if you're serious about your craft, stop playing around and get yourself some ZEROPLAY guide bars. They're precision engineered to fit standard 3/4 inch miter slots using multiple opposing wedges that expand to fill the entire slot with a single touch. Building table saw sleds has never been faster. Times out of 10, when you buy a tool with a miter slot, the manufacturer includes a miter gauge. Some are better than others. You hear that? And that's why we developed the ZEROPLAY miter bar system. They quickly and easily install the sleds of all shapes and sizes. The top-down installation allows you to quickly square up your sled and make adjustments when switching from tool to tool. At 9.5 inches, ZEROPLAY guide bars can be used to build smaller, more convenient jigs, or they can be installed in tandem for larger jigs. The only limit is your own imagination. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what the pros are saying about ZEROPLAY guide bars. Amazon's choice and #1 best-selling miter bar on Amazon.com. 5-star review from Wood Magazine. Great fitting guide bar from Popular Woodworking Magazine. Accurately dial in the perfect fit to a miter slot, no matter if it's for your table saw, bandsaw, or any other track, from Popular Woodworking. If you're ready to build better jigs and make better cuts, stop playing around. ZEROPLAY guide bars are backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at MICROJIG.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. MICROJIG. Work safer, work smarter.